Hi everyone. As you guys probably noticed, I haven't been uploading my weekly videos, and a lot of it has to do with some of the bad weather we've been getting here in Wyoming with a lot of rain, which is unusual. Here are a few pictures. As you can see, I got caught in the rain a few times. I'm not opposed to riding in the rain, but it's not fun making videos when it's raining outside. Anyways, what I wanted to go over today was some of the parts that I bought for the Honda Navi on Amazon and just do a quick little review on them. All right, guys, here we go. First and foremost, there's the Kemimoto Fender Eliminator kit that I bought on Amazon. I think this cost me less than $40, and it's been on there pretty good. I've had no issues with this so far. It's really tidied up the rear end, and I'll be honest, I had a lot of compliments on it from other Navi riders here in this area who asked me where I got it, and yeah, I mean, obviously, I directed them to Amazon and told them, hey, it costs less than $40, you should definitely get it. All right, guys, the next thing on my list are the Kemimoto mirrors. They've been working out for me pretty well so far. And I say that because, I've read reviews on Amazon where people say that, theirs have been coming loose, twisting and turning and stuff, but I can't say the same for me. So far, they've been really good to me. And for mirrors that cost less than $35, they've been excellent. They make my bike look so much more aggressive, so much sportier, and yeah, it's been great. Okay, guys, the next thing on my list is the Kemimoto bag. It's universal, and what I like about it is it gives me a place to put my garage door opener, especially since those buttons are very sensitive on mine for some reason. Uh, if I were to put it in my pocket or my other bag, it might open my garage door back up, and it's actually happened to me a few times. So I kind of appreciate kind of having a bag right here just kind of for the garage door opener. So far, so great. And what I love about this is that it even fits on my other bikes. Let me show you. Okay, so there's the Kemimoto bag on my Honda Rebel. And what I appreciate the most about this bag is that it allows for me to have storage on a bike where there really isn't storage built in, kind of like the Navi. And for $49.99, this was easily the most expensive item that I bought from Amazon for the Navi, but I'm actually considering also getting another one just for the Rebel. Last but not least, there's the Roam Copilot phone mount that I bought on Amazon for the Navi. Unfortunately, it doesn't really fit on either the Navi or the Rebel. I've tried it on both. But that's not on Amazon. That's on me for buying, for not really measuring things out before I bought it. But it's not a complete loss because I can either give this to my friend, and see if it fits on their bikes, or I can just give it as a gift to people who like to cycle around town, or maybe even keep it for myself and maybe see if it fits another bike that I buy in the near future, or like an e-bike or something like that that I plan on getting soon. So we'll see.